All right, you see two logs being added together. So you combine them with what? Multiplication. Good. So log base 6 of x times x plus 5 equals 2. Distribute that x. Log base 6 of x squared plus 5x equals 2. You have a log on one side of your equation, so what do you have to do next? Switch. 6 squared equals x squared plus 5x. 6 squared is 36. Subtract the 36 to the right. Alrighty, everybody good with that? Plus 5x minus 36. I'm putting my equals 0 on the right so my OCD is satisfied, alright? Everybody good? Everybody there? Alright. 6-letter F word. Factor it. Multiplies to negative 36, adds to 5. Oh, yeah. Plus 9. My bad. Alright. Split them into 2. Swing them to the other side. X equals negative 9. X equals 4. You toss the negative because when you plug it up right here, actually for both of them, here and here, you get negatives in your logs. Can't have negative logs, right? And you keep 4. Alright, subtraction in the middle. Subtraction in the middle, which means you do what with your quantities? Divide them. Alright, so, got to be careful with this one. You got log base 4 of x plus 1 over 10. That's the quantity you are taking the log of, and it's equal to 1. Okay. Equal to 1. Everybody good? Next step. Switch. Okay, once you always, no matter what you think, the quantity is stuck inside that log. You can't do anything with it, you can't get 10 divided it out or whatever you think. This is stuck inside that quantity. So once you have it down to a log on one side, your next step is always switch. Always. Okay? No. So 4 is to the first equals x plus 1 over 10. Okay? 4 to the first right here is what? 4. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that exponent. 4 as a fraction is what? 4 over 1. And how do I solve that?
The inverse? I mean,
that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. You guys are all saying it, but Jack got it. There were 2 words. Cross multiply. Okay? You all are saying it, but that's what you do. Cross multiply. Okay, so 4 times 10 this way gives you 40. 1 times x plus 1, bless you, gives you. Okay, pause, watch. Watch, hold up. If this was any number besides 1, what would you have to do here? Distribute. Okay, so just be careful with that. So 40 equals x plus 1. Subtract 1, x equals 39. There you go. Rainy. No. No.
Would you cross multiply with?
Okay, last problem on this lesson. Yes, it is a word problem, okay? Now, you're not going to get word problems too often with these. There is a full section of word problems with logarithms that I absolutely love. All right, logs and log word problems are probably one of my favorite things to talk about because I'm nuts. All right, but we're not going to do it per se too much. Okay, what we are going to do with this one though is we're going to work it out, and I'm going to work it out with you because I want there to be a connection made of what a logarithm is. Okay, and this is going to go a long way to helping make 7.6 help or go smoothly. Okay, so the pH of a substance is defined as the concentration of hydrogen ions, which is labeled as H, in moles. It is given by the following formula, which is down below. Find the amount of hydrogen in a liter of acid rain that has a pH of 4.2. So we know pH is 4.2. So let's go ahead and substitute that value in there. equals log base 10 of 1 over h. Okay, Jess?
Why didn't you change 4.2 to the 2 days?
It's not a percent.
Oh,
It's just a regular 4.2, correct. Okay. Now, there's probably two ways you could do this problem. To make my point, I'm going to do it this way. Okay. We're going to take this division that's right here, and we're going to split that off. So we're going to go the other way. So instead of writing it as the division of 1 and h, what we're going to do is do log base 10 of 1 minus log base 10 of h. Okay? Everybody good with that? Your subtraction rule backwards. Okay, your division of logs backwards. Splitting up from division to subtractions. Everybody good?
Is that a log?
Yeah. Log. It's a terrible written log, but it's a log. Okay. Now, here's the connection I want to, here's what I want to get made. Okay? What variable are you solving for here? We're solving for h. Okay? And your next step to solving an equation from here is to get the variable term by itself. Always has been, always will be. When it's linear, right? One variable exponent of 1. Okay? So that means anytime we had other numbers next to that variable term, we would always subtract them over. Okay? Think about it as 2x plus 3 equals 6. Your next step on that one would be subtract the 3. Yes? Make sense? That's essentially where we're at here, except we have this word log in there. But log base 10 of 1 is just a number. We don't know what number it is yet, but it's just a number. So what can we do with this number? To move it from here to over here. We can subtract it. We can subtract a log base 10 of 1. Hang on. Log base 10 of 1 from both sides, which turns into 4.2 minus log base 10 of 1 equals negative log base 10 of 8. Answer. I'm going to take this. I'm going to add this one to the other side and subtract these two over. So I'm going to switch all my signs, okay, just to get this log positive, okay, and you'll see why once I do this, okay. So I'm going to make this a positive log base 10 of h equals a negative 4.2 plus log base 10 of 1.
So
All right.
So you don't always have a number and a variable, like.
Right.
And then you don't have.
Okay. Now, there's not much to do now, except we have a log on one side of the equation. See that we have the variable attached to. So let's work this side to get a number. Okay. So remember when I said how to find log base on your calculators? Okay. And you also remember what button I said was just base of 10. See how you have a base 10 here? Okay. So all you have to do in your calculator is hit log 1, because that log on your by 7 has a base of 10. Okay? So what is log base 10 of 1?
0.
It's 0. Okay? Yes, I know. I could have told you that from the start. I know that. Okay? I know that. But what we need to do for next lesson is get comfortable moving these log numbers around.
So it's always going to be 0?
Okay? No, not always. Log base 10 of 1 is always going to be 0.
But that's
The logs we work with won't always be 0. Okay? No, I didn't say
so
that.
it could be 2 over 8.
So here's what I'm saying. What's negative 4.2 plus 0?
Negative 4.2.
Negative 4.2. So log base 10 of h equals negative 4.2. Log on one side equal to a number, so you what? Yep, switch it. So 10 to the negative 4.2 power equals h. Okay? So h equals, anybody got that?
Anyone?
Any-
Anyone?
8, 6.3.
3 blah.
6.3095 times 10 to the negative fifth. Okay? Okay? That's the actual answer. I don't listen. Yes. I don't listen. I'm not worried about it. Okay? What I want, the only reason we did this problem was so I could introduce you guys to moving the logs around. Okay? Because that's basically what the next lesson is going to be about. Negative 6.305 times 10 to the
Not 309.
whatever to the negative fifth.
Can you just put 30?
You can put 3017 if you want to.
Can you just put 31?
Sure. You can put 3.8 if you want. I don't
Times
care.
10 to the negative 5.
Sure, yeah.
What is? I don't understand how you left it. I just thought it was just 6.3.
See the E at the end?
Huh?
E negative 5.
Oh.
E stands for times 10 too though.
Oh.
Okay? Like I said, you're not gonna have word problems with these yet. Okay? But I wanted to show you guys how do you move the log around in case, so that way it's not brand new come Tuesday, alright?
That's how it moved.
Okay, everybody good?
I like it moved.
Alright, homework for the lessons, page 48 through 49. 8 through 10, 23 through 26, 36 through 41.